Done it 100 times before. I'm just in here now with my big coil. Snag a couple of bag seals, rail seals, oh, bite my tongue. And then I'm going through that gate over there and have a look for a few coins. But, okie doke, there's number one. Demi-Dove, 1819. And there's number two. What do you call it? Who are you? Kudjev. Number one post. 1818. Now if you're wondering why I've got two together, I started filming at the car, came up here, filmed the first seal, come to the second film, and the camera says, oh, you're full up, you can't film anymore. So I had to wipe everything out, start again. Isn't it beautiful up here today? Look. Gorgeous. Little bit of nip in the air. I mean, if the wind comes up, it's going to be bloody cold, but it's nice. Right, I've got my two seals. Let's see if I can get a couple more, and then I'm off coin hunting. Right, that's number three. 3 hits, 3 seals. Could have got most of the crap out of here. 18. No, it isn't. That's the front. It's Fouvet something. G. Foudiev. Weird name. 1820. Very good. Oh, cloud. I'm in a cloud. It's suddenly gone cold. You know, it's no gloves. Foolish Gerald. Okay, I'm over the road now in the paddock of this farm. Just going into that other field over there. It looks to be part of a draw handle, I think. Well, the kids have been playing here. I'm not sure what that is. I need to clean it up. It's a vehicle of some description. A bit of iron. Digging up next to dead rabbits is not very happy. Look at them all. Myxomatosis. The farmers reckon 8 rabbits eat the same grass as 1 sheep, so quite ruthlessly. There's hundreds of rabbits up here, they just wipe them out. Nasty way to go though. Oh, wind's coming. Notice. Hey, got my gloves on. A Vicky halfpenny, I think. Oh, yeah, 1865. Yes. Yeah, fancy brass washer off a cart. Or a small, oh no, just reminds me of a small door handle, but washer, but no, it can't be. Lead washer, roofing washer for tarpaulin. This place is littered with dead rabbits. I've just seen one hobbling off over there, but it'll be dead by nightfall. God, it's sick. Oh well. Nozzle end. Nothing down here but farmyard throw-out stuff. Oh. Used to be a path from there all the way along here, through that gate and all the way down Little Patrick. And there used to be a wall there where that little ridge is. I'm just hoping they've wandered off it a bit. Now there's something there. It's very, very low signal. Oh, you're coming. Well, that's a surprise. Or should I say, more than likely, you're a button. Gonna need the Brillo on you, aren't we? Just working my way up here, maybe a little detour. Back to the car. Oh, it's getting hard work these days. Just found a button though. Pewter button. Oh, Well, that was a very low signal, but it looks like a coin, probably a button. Oh, it's a ring. Any more guesses? Rabbit there. It doesn't even know I'm here. It's probably blind with myxomatosis. Really is sick. There's a few, I've seen a few down the wood which are still in good nick, the rabbits. But up in this field, it doesn't even know I'm here. Eats the brain away. Ah, horrible. Poor little bugger, completely blind. Probably deaf as well. Oh, an old coin, 700 and odd. Maybe 750. If it's George too. 1750. Thimble. Found another one of these just about 20 feet away there last time I was here. I've just come to have a go back at this place. Right, you are a George III cartwheel penny. 1797. 1 ounce pure copper. Nice one. That's a George too. About 1750. Nearly back to car. As the sun sets in the west, we're gonna call it a day. Oh, had a good time, apart from the dead bloody rabbits. But always nice to get out to Little Patrick or Winnie Hill. See you at the roundup. We had a landslide on this main road a couple of weeks back. Took the whole road. But at the moment there's a helicopter coming in and dumping stuff on the old road out there, look. So unless he's suddenly decided to go home for his tea, I might just be able to get a shot of him bringing some gear in. Here he comes. Come on, where are you? There you are. Takes him about 3 minutes. He comes in, dumps, and goes straight back again for another load. There you are. I see you dumping them. There you go. Welcome to the roundup. Not a bad day actually. No silver, but not to worry. Now where should I start? We'll start with this. It's a toy something or other. Should be written on the bottom here what it is. How come I always get these things upside down? It's a stretcher fetchy. Whatever on earth that is. Stretcher fetcher. Stretcher fetcher. Oh. Oh, it's for stretchers. It's an ambulance. Ah, right. Never seen one of them before. You live and learn, don't you? Righty-ho. Let's go on this top line. That's a bezel off something, isn't it? A nozzle. That is one of these little rings that either holds your braces up. This little baby, I thought I'd got myself a hammered copper, little hammered copper coin. But then, that definitely appears to be a button. Can't win them all. Okie doke. This 3/4 coin, yeah, definitely a button. Let me just see, I've got a little bit of fat there in that spoon. Just give it a quick rub over, and it tends to bring out details. I think that it's a button. That's a shield on there. Okie dokie. What we got here? Just a button. And another button. Very goodly. I'm not sure if this is out of a electrical thing. Oh, is that a word on there? Oh, don't know what that is. Sometimes they use farthings and put holes in them for filters. And then we've got a, what we got here? We got a thimble. Two not bad thimbles come off that little site. Right, onto this end. I think that's, it moves in and out. I think it's a drawer handle, I'm not sure. That's a piece of lead that they use to hold felt down. When they put the nail in, it squashes flat and waterproofs it. I always thought these were off carts. Fancy decoration on cart using square nails, but I could be wrong. Now here we have a coin. Oh, it's going to be hard to get this one right. There we are, 1865. Victorian halfpenny. And then we have one of the George III Cartwheel pennies. There he is, the laddie, and there's Britannia on the back, and down the bottom there it says in full view, look, 1797. I haven't done this for that long. I've lost the knack of getting the pictures. And then this is a George III, because the head's facing to the right, so that would make you about 1775 halfpenny. This one you can see the head is definitely looking to the left. Now that's George II. So we're looking 1750, and it is a British coin, an English one, not Irish. Okie dokie, now this is interesting. It looked like a bit of grot lead, look, but when I lifted it up it's got an impression in there somehow. See if I can get it right. Almost like a seal. But I can't make anything out of that. And then piece de resistance. 3 Russian flax bale seals. Come on you lot, there's only me finding any these days. And then a few far between. We got an 1820, that's easy enough. The previous owner was MB, that's his initials. There were 12 heads in a bale, and on top of there it says NP, but it's missing. And that says, on the top of there there's an L and a D, Flax Inspector, GFUF. Fuviev, what a name. And I think he's post 6. We'll soon know when I get him on the database. Right, now there's that NP that wasn't on the other, and that is, there's an I missing here, that says ICB12H. 1819. And it was, there's your LB in Cyrillic, Flax Inspector I Demidov, 55 post. And who have we got here? Again, we got the NP. That means it came out of any port on the Baltic, even St. Petersburg. Before 1928, they used NP for every port that there was. Probably BK 12H 1818. I'm going to have others of these so I can compare when we get them. LD Flax Inspector N Kudriev There's a letter missing which upsets it. H1. Oh yeah, we'll soon find out what that is. So there you go. Indeedy. Get a few pickies for the video. Really a bit annoyed about these things. I keep finding these, you know. I keep thinking I've had copper hammered before, and yeah, copper hammered. I turn it over and I go, no, it's a button. And an ambulance carrier. Never had an ambulance carrier before. Wowee. Stretcher carrier. Get it right, Jed, you know. I'm losing it. If you haven't noticed, I'm losing it. Yeah, so they get what? 1, 2, 3, 4 stretchers in there. Yeah, I've never actually seen one of them in real life, but there you go. Okay. You take care. Till I see you next time. It's out there, look, go get it. Oh, look at that. Love these Cartwheel pennies. Yay. That's when money was worth money. Not your 1 cent. That's your penny, your 1 cent. See you later. Bye.